The 2024 Renegade Classic lets you make your dreams come true. With the Classic's versatile options, you can choose from multiple floor plans, colors, paint schemes, insulation treatments and chassis options. These are just a few of the unique features that the Classic offers. With 16 different Classic floor plans and 6 unique Renegade toy hauler configurations, each with 90-inch roof heights, there's a Classic ready to be customized to fit your lifestyle on the road with a long list of features that deliver championship performance and ultimate comfort. Every element of the Classic is built around you, because true Renegades don't follow, they lead the pack. Your interior comes with inviting sofas, a dining room with chairs and a hallway accented with a countertop. Take advantage of hardwood cabinetry and polished, solid surface countertops. Enjoy a good night's sleep in a comfortable bed. Your living space is designed to meet all your needs, from breakfast in the morning to winding down at the end of the day. Building extraordinary coaches has made it one of the world's top RV brands. They continue to be the industry rebels by constantly challenging the status quo in terms of quality, value, strength, versatility, durability, and style. Starting with the best chassis, ending with a camper that performs better and lasts longer, Renegade RVs are designed for extreme luxury and extreme adventure. Renegade RVs are built for you.
you.